In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change recovery email in Yahoo Mail. Keeping your recovery email up to date is essential for account security because it's how you regain access if you ever forget your password or need to verify your identity. I'll walk you through the exact flow step by step and share a few tips to keep things smooth. Start by opening your web browser and heading to yahoo.com. On the Yahoo homepage, look to the upper right corner and select Sign In. If you see an option to continue with an existing Yahoo Mail account you've used before on this device, you can choose that. Otherwise, enter your Yahoo email and your password. Follow the on-screen prompts and give it a moment to complete the sign-in process. If Yahoo asks for additional verification, just proceed as instructed. That's normal when updating security settings. Once you're signed in, you'll land on Yahoo. Go to the upper right and click your profile icon. From that menu, select Manage Your Account. This takes you to your account overview. Here, choose the security section. You may be asked to confirm it's you again. If so, follow the prompts. On the security page, scroll down until you see the area for email addresses related to recovery. Look for additional emails. Click that to manage the addresses associated with your account. Next, select Add Email Address. This is where you'll enter the new recovery email you want to use going forward. Type the email carefully to avoid typos since Yahoo will send a verification to that address. After you enter it, continue with the on-screen process to finish. Typically, Yahoo will send a code or a confirmation link to the new recovery email. Open that inbox in a separate tab or on your phone, find the message from Yahoo, and complete the verification. If you don't see the email right away, give it a minute and check your spam or junk folder. When the verification is successful, return to the Yahoo security page and you should see the new address listed under additional emails. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure the recovery email you add is one you can access easily and keep active. If you're on a shared or public computer, sign out when you're done. And anytime you make changes to security settings, it's a good idea to quickly review your account recovery details to confirm everything looks correct. That's it. Your recovery email is updated in Yahoo Mail and your account is better protected. Thanks for watching.